Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset IBM Watson configuration, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset the IBM Watson configuration, begin by ensuring you have administrative access to your IBM Cloud account. Log into your IBM Cloud account through your preferred web browser. Navigate to the IBM Watson service that you wish to reset. Identify the specific instance of the Watson service you want to modify. Click on the instance to open its management dashboard. Locate the settings or configuration section within the dashboard. Within the settings section, look for the option labeled Reset or Restore to Default. Click on the Reset option to initiate the process. A confirmation prompt may appear to ensure you want to proceed with the reset. Carefully review the prompt, as this action may lead to data loss. If you decide to proceed, confirm the action by clicking Yes or Confirm. Wait for the system to process your reset request. Once the reset is complete, you should see a notification indicating the status. Review the configuration settings to ensure they have been restored to their default state. If necessary, reconfigure any settings that need to be customized post-reset. Test the IBM Watson service to verify its functionality after the reset. Document any changes you made during the reconfiguration for future reference. You've now successfully reset your IBM Watson configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.